Let's add animation. So for this, we will need an animation file and an avatar that is compatible with this file. I've prepared both for you and it will be available in the description for download. If you want to create your own animation, I will show you how to do this at the end of this video. So first, we'll need to add an avatar, file, import, FBX. Have an avatar compatible with Mixamo animation. We will see Mixamo website later. So we will add this avatar. Oh, we don't really need camera. We can keep the rest. Okay, now we have our avatar. We'll need to adjust our outfit to fit the new avatar. So let's first click on the old avatar and delete. Okay, it seems fine. To make sure they are separate. Now let's change the tab. Here, instead of simulation, we'll go to animation. Just click OK. Let's add animation. File, open, joint, motion. And we'll use the second file. I prepared the walking motion for you. Okay. Now we have a motion for our avatar. We'll need to simulate the garment movement for it. So we will use this button. Just click on it. And you see simulation is going. You may need to do it several times if it's not very well working with the garment. Maybe you'll need to adjust the garment, maybe freeze some parts. Maybe just retry simulation multiple times. So now we also have transition. We don't really want this transition. We want only the walking animation. Let's move it here. And click the button and simulate again. Great. Let's delete this old simulation, transition, walking motion, and we'll export our animation. Then we'll test. We'll see how it works. The idea is to make the garment walking without an avatar, like if it's walking by itself. Okay. Export GLB, jumpsuit with animation. So we will deselect avatars, we'll keep patterns. This is our garment. We don't want avatar, we want garment animation. Okay. Okay, we have our file. Let's test. So this is Mixamo. We'll be back here just in a few minutes. Let's first upload our garment into our fashion gallery and see how it works. So to upload the garment, go to your gallery, edit. Now I have already an empty place here. Then use plus button, add content. Upload. Drag file here or select. And I will choose the file that I just created. And look, we have our outfit. So we can adjust position, make it much bigger or make it smaller. So you can just position it in your space. Here you are. You have your garment. Now, we also can export a video. File, video capture, animation. Change the position. Maybe add a scene also. Make it a little more pretty. More Instagram friendly. Just save. And maybe we can add our video on an art wall. So you just pick one frame that is empty. So again. Oh, here. Now we have a video. Create your own animation. You will need first to have an avatar in T-pose, and then you will use Mixamo to animate it. So create a new project, include, pick an avatar. So now we should put her in a T pose. She's actually in A pose. For this, I'll go here. And now we'll just pick points and put the arms up. Right. So just export. File, export, FBX, and we'll have Mixamo. It's an avatar for Mixamo. I'll probably create a new folder. Okay. Now we'll go to Mixamo, mixamo.com. Just go to the website, it's free. You just need to create an Adobe account. So create an account, connect to your account, and now we'll need just to upload character here. I'll try to refresh the page. So here, upload, select file. So we'll need the file that we just created. Avatar for Mixamo. May take some time. Okay. No, that's fine. So now we'll add the skeleton to her chin, wrists, elbows. It's not very easy for elbows, knees. You have help here. Standard skeleton is fine. Now our avatar will get a skeleton to move. Oh, that seems quite okay. It's not perfect with an elbow, but that's fine. Okay, so the first thing you will do is to download it with a T-pose. Now you can choose animations here. So you have catwalk, for example. You have just some pose. You have dancing. Oh, I have plenty of animation, so we can just go for it or search. For example, here we have another walking. I got this one, so we can get walking in place. I like to add a little more frame, so we have twice the animation. Sometimes the dress is not moving exactly the same. The arm space, usually it's good to have a little bit more the arm space, otherwise sleeves can attach to the dress, so it wouldn't be very nice. Also, I like to make it slower. I don't remember what it makes. Oh, yeah. Anyway, as soon as you are happy with your animation, just download. So it's downloading. Let's go back to CLO. File, open, import, FBX. We have it just in downloads, yes. Here we have our walking avatar. So we'll open, we want joint animations, we want everything. So now we want to go to animation and we will export animation. File, file, save as joint motion. And now walking motion 2. So we have our file that we can apply. We get our second file. So Mixamo avatar, well, the first one, well, avatar from Mixamo, the one that we've downloaded from Mixamo, and then this is the second file that we need. So now we're done.